Handing your old iPhone down to your child seems like a great idea until you realize you're locked out of the device by your own security settings. Hey, it's Elliot from MacCrunch. It is incredibly frustrating to be trapped in a loop of forgotten passwords and Find My restrictions while your kid is waiting to use their gift. I'm going to show you the exact dashboard inside your family sharing settings that lets you remotely manage hardware so you can fix these lockouts instantly and safely. I'll show my process for using the family sharing device list to remove a child's phone from an account remotely. Quick legal note before we continue. You must own the device or have legal authority over the account to use these tools. Misusing these steps to bypass security on hardware you do not own violates terms of service and local laws. Since you now understand the legal requirements for ownership, you can move forward with a professional solution for your locked hardware.
This segment is a paid partnership with Unloxy. You can find an immediate fix for your iPhone lock to owner screen through this platform. Repair shops and phone resellers use this service to remove iCloud locks from iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. You get back full control of your device without any hassle. This method works in any country on every model and operating software version. Pay close attention now if you want to resolve your issue. Take your locked device and press the power button to turn the screen off. Turn it back on and select the eye icon in the bottom right corner to show the IMEI. Note the IMEI or serial number displayed on the screen. Write it down right away because this is a crucial step. Head over to the Unloxy site to create a new account or login. Open their iCloud Unlock app and pick your specific device type. Enter that IMEI or serial number you just noted. Agree to the terms and click the button to unlock your phone now. Each unlock costs 50 coins and you start with 0. You can avoid purchasing expensive coins by hitting the Join button below this video. Pick the membership tier that includes Unloxy access. Go to the membership tab on this channel and grab the gift code for 250 coins. This is a guaranteed way to get your credit safely through YouTube and Google Pay. Once you have your coins, submit your order and track the progress on their dashboard. The process is quick and the support team responds fast. Keep your device powered on and connected to Wi-Fi the entire time. When the status shows as finished, press the back button on your device. This forces a connection to the servers to pull the updated activation status. Your phone now lets you proceed. Skip through the setup and set up a new iCloud account immediately. This is a legal and constantly updated service for all models. Click that Join button now to get your voucher code.
I often see parents hand over a used device without signing out of their own account first. I believe this is the biggest mistake because it links the old hardware to the parent's personal security credentials indefinitely. When I try to set up a new child account on that same phone, the system sees two conflicting identities. This mismatch triggers the activation lock as a safety measure against theft. Another common error I find is when parents delete a child's account before removing the device from the Find My network. I noticed this leaves the hardware stuck in a digital limbo where no one can log in. I also see many people forget to disable the screen time restrictions that prevent account changes. I want to show my method for using the Family Organizer dashboard to clear these hurdles from a different device. I found that the most powerful tool for managing a family fleet of devices is the Family Organizer dashboard. I open the settings on my own iPhone and select my name at the top to find the family sharing menu. I see every member of my digital household listed here along with their assigned hardware. When a child breaks a screen or loses a phone, I don't need the physical device to unbind it from their Apple ID. I tap on the child's name and select the specific iPhone that is causing the headache. I use the option to remove the device from the account, which remotely deactivates the Find My tracking. This action clears the activation lock status on Apple's servers instantly. I prefer this method because it prevents a dead battery or a broken digitizer from permanently bricking the hardware. I follow a strict sequence to hand off hardware without triggering security alerts. I begin by creating a full backup of the device to my computer or cloud storage to save every photo and message. I then navigate to the settings to sign out of the App Store and iMessage in particular. I find that turning off the Find My service manually before doing anything else prevents the server from flagging the transfer as a theft. I select the option to erase all content and settings, which returns the phone to its factory state. I wait for the hello screen to appear before I let anyone else touch the buttons. I then log into my Family Organizer account to confirm the old serial number is gone from my list. I finally help my child sign in with their own unique Apple ID to start fresh. I successfully navigated the complexities of family sharing and the Family Organizer dashboard to clear those stubborn activation locks. I showed my process for remotely unbinding hardware from a child's account and the exact steps to factory reset a device without triggering security alerts. These methods keep my family's tech system running smoothly while staying within official guidelines. If this guide was helpful, we invite you to like, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed on future updates and guides.